Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can start revising the unit Logical Reasoning. In this video, we can see types of reasoning: inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, abductive and analogical reasoning. In inductive reasoning, we form conclusions by going from specific events to the general. We generalize based on the specific events. We follow a bottom-up approach in this type of reasoning. Next, deductive reasoning. In deductive reasoning, we move from general ideas to form specific conclusions, from general to particular. So in this type, a top-down approach is followed. For example, in inductive reasoning, if a person says, "Every time I drink milk, I get nauseous, so I must be lactose intolerant." In this case, the conclusion of lactose intolerance is formed on the basis of specific events, particular events. In deductive reasoning, for example, if we say all men are mortal, Ram is a man, so he is mortal. In this case, all men are mortal is a general idea. From that, Ram is mortal, a specific conclusion is formed. In deductive reasoning, the conclusion is certain, the conclusion is true if the premises are correct. But in an inductive argument, in inductive reasoning, the premises cannot guarantee that the conclusion is true. If the premises are true, the conclusion is probably true. It might be true. That is a major difference between inductive and deductive reasoning. Next is abductive reasoning. In this type, we form conclusion based on the available information, based on what we know. And in analogical reasoning, we make conclusion based on similarities. First question, just as melting ice cubes does not cause a glass of water to overflow, melting sea ice does not increase the oceanic volume. What type of argument it is? Here, it states that melting sea ice is in a way similar to melting ice cubes. So, A, analogical reasoning is the right answer. Second question, superiority over intellect depends upon its power of concentration on one theme. In the same way as a concave mirror collects all rays that strike upon it into one point. What type of reasoning is entailed in the above statement? Again here, two things are compared and the similarity between them is pointed out in the statement. So it comes under analogical reasoning. C is the right option. Third question, which is a presupposition in inductive reasoning? A, law of nature, B, unchangeability in nature, C, harmony in nature, and D, uniformity of nature. In inductive reasoning, we form conclusions based on particular events which has already occurred in the past. So we say that it is likely to happen in future as well. And this principle is known as uniformity of nature. So D is the right option. Fourth question, a deductive argument is invalid if A, its premises and conclusions are all true. B, its premises and conclusions are all false. C, its premises are all false but its conclusion is true. And D, its premises are true but its conclusion is false. Okay, in deductive argument we saw that if the premises are true, then certainly the conclusion will be true. So D states that its premises are true but its conclusion is false. In that case, deductive argument is invalid. Option D is the right option. That's for today. Tomorrow we will see another topic from this unit, logical reasoning. Hope you find this helpful. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to Druv Online Academy. Thank you.